You'll have love at first sight with the 2026 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Introducing the Ford F-250 Super Duty, a powerhouse of strength, capability, and durability. With its robust engine and impressive towing and hauling capacity, the F-250 Super Duty is built to tackle the toughest jobs with ease. Its rugged exterior design, combined with a comfortable and tech-savvy interior, ensures both functionality and style. Experience the ultimate in performance and reliability with the Ford F-250 Super Duty, where power meets precision. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, V8 engine, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Don't make compromises. Instead, make your driving life the best it can be. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.